If you're a plumber, I'm going to show you a way of getting leads flowing into your business using Google Ads. So if you are a plumber, this video is an absolute must for you. So the fastest way a plumber can get more leads flowing into your business, more leads, more calls, more jobs, is using something called Google Ads, which formerly used to be called Google AdWords. Now, this is where your business will appear at the top of the Google page as soon as somebody is looking for a plumber. So if somebody goes to Google and types in plumbers near me, or plumbers London, plumbers Birmingham, or emergency plumbers, then your business will be listed at the top of the page rather than your competitor's page. Go to Google now and just try typing in plumbers near me. See whose business is appearing at the top of the Google's page, because those businesses that are appearing at the top of the Google's page are the people who are stealing your potential business. So building a Google Ads campaign for plumbers involves a strategic approach to ensure that not only are you reaching potential customers whereby they are compelled to click on your ad over your competitor's ad, but you need to make sure that your ads are reaching the correct audience at the correct time, but within the correct location too. Because, like, let's face it, if you're in London and somebody's in Birmingham, there's no point them looking for a plumber, because you're clearly not going to be able to serve them. So there is a strategy involved. So I'm going to give you several tips on how you can do this using Google Ads, but the last tip I give you is the one that can catapult your business, your plumbing business, so that you can get a high number of inquiries, qualified inquiries, flowing into your business. So do watch right to the end. So here are 5 key steps to consider when crafting a successful Google Ads campaign for plumbing services. Before I do, guys, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, so when I do create new content, you'll be the first to be notified. The first one is to conduct thorough keyword research. So what's really important is that you identify high intent keywords with keywords that have got a commercial intent. In other words, that these are people that are ready to buy or have an urgency for a plumber. So for example, if you have keywords like emergency plumber near me, or leak repair services, or block drain help, so these are these types of keywords that can attract users who are ready to convert. They're ready to pick up the phone. They're ready to say to you, hey, I need your services because I've got a situation whereby I haven't got time to wait. Unlike keywords such as plumbers near me. Now, plumbers near me might attract people who have no immediate intent to buy. The other thing that you need to consider is using long tail keywords. So you need to be more specific, because the more specific you be, the less competitive you will be. So for example, hot water heater installation in Birmingham, or affordable bathroom plumbing services. So these can lead to a lower cost per click, also known as CPC, and a higher conversion rate, because they are targeting a user with a very specific requirement. Point number 2 is optimize your landing pages. So what's absolutely imperative is that you ensure your landing pages directly addresses the queries and needs implied by your chosen keywords. So for example, if your ad targets emergency plumbing services, then the landing page should also highlight emergency services, response times, and contact information prominently. Whilst on this subject, test your ads or your landing pages on mobile. So on a mobile device. So what's really important is that with so many users likely to be searching for plumbing services on their mobile, especially in emergency, it's absolutely imperative that your landing pages are optimized for mobile viewing and quick loading times. Point number 3, take advantage of local targeting. So on this topic, first of all, use geo-targeting. So since plumbing-based businesses are inherently local, Google Ads geo-targeting options focus on displaying your ads in areas that you are ready to serve, so your local areas. So this ensures that your ads appear to users in your service area, which increases the relevancy of your ads and likelihood of a conversion. Now, at the same time, use local keywords. So include location-based keywords into your campaign. So for example, plumbers in Birmingham, or Wolverhampton plumbing services. And what this does, this captures the attention of users when they are searching for plumbers, because if they feel that, hey, this is a relevant service, this is a local service, which is what they want. Point number 4 is use site links and add extensions. So for example, the first thing you should be using is site links. So our site links are extensions which link to specific pages on your website, such as services, you booking an appointment, or customer testimonials. So what this can do is that this can improve the ad's performance by providing users with more options to engage with your ad. And not only that, but your ad takes up more real ad space on the actual page, so your ad is going to appear a lot more bigger than your competitor's ad, so therefore your ad is likely to achieve a greater click-through rate, also known as CTR. At the same time, use call extensions. So given the urgent nature of plumbing services, include a phone number in your ads, because it makes it easy for potential customers to contact you directly even from the ad. This is especially more effective for mobile users. Point number 5, monitor and adjust your campaigns regularly. So regularly conduct A/B testing on different elements of your ads, such as your headlines, your descriptions, your call to actions, to see what resonates with your target audience. So this can help to again improve your click-through rate and ultimately your conversion rates over a period of time. Now, whilst talking about tracking and measuring, track your key performance metrics. So keep a close eye on your main metrics, such as your click-through rate, your conversion rate, your cost per conversion, and your quality score. So you've got to use this data to refine your bidding strategy, your ad copy, your keyword selections, and optimize your campaign performance. Last but not least, and this is the one that I was saying, that if you do this correctly, this can bring you a constant stream of leads flowing into your business, and that is experiment with call only ads. So call only ads, what this is that people can call your business without even going onto your landing page. So in other words, that from the Google page itself, there'll be a button there saying call. So without having to read anything, they can just simply call you, and what will happen is that they'll, as soon as they call you, you can then say to them, hey, yes, I'm available, and this is what it's going to cost. Unlike having them to go to your website, read all about your services, because you're putting an additional layer onto your conversions. So what's also good is, when implementing call only ads, is do A/B testing. Again, call only ads versus landing page. So send 50% of people to call only ads, whereby people are going to go to Google and they're going to call you directly from the Google page, and 50% of them to your landing page, and see which one converts better. So these are all experiments that you can do, and a call only ad campaign is absolutely imperative. So implementing these steps can help you to create a Google Ads campaign for plumbers that not only reaches the right audience, but also effectively converts interests into actions. So regularly reviewing and adjusting your strategy based on your campaign performance data will make sure that you stay ahead of the competition and maximize your return on investment. Guys, if you like what I just said now, if you like this video, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit the notifications button, and if you want to learn more tips and tricks about how to get more conversions from Google or Google Ads, how to get more leads, more sales, subscribe to this channel, and let me know in the comments below. Let me know in the comments below if you've got a question, if you've got a specific question, especially if you're a plumber, if you've got a specific question as to how you can generate more leads for your business, drop it in the comments below and I will personally get back to you with every single question. Take care, and I look forward to seeing you on another video. Goodbye for now.